Some parents think schools are being treated unfairly when it comes to students returning to the classroom. A lawsuit filed this afternoon alleges that the public health order is denying some students equal access to a meaningful education. News 13's Courtney Allen joins us live from home with details.
Jess, while childcare is fully open and public schools can open at half occupancy next week, the same can't be said for private schools.
Some Albuquerque families think their schools are being singled out.
This is just about fairness and making sure that the playing field is level.
Under the current public health order, private schools are limited to 25% occupancy.
They're specifically called out. Private schools are specifically called out in the order.
Most public schools, on the other hand, are allowed to open at 50% occupancy after Labor Day. Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham discussing re-entry last week.
We know that students and parents in many school districts and schools are really anxious to return to in-person learning.
But people like attorney Dina Buchanan are asking why private and public schools are being treated differently.
Confused about why private schools were singled out.
She represents the father of an Albuquerque Academy 7th grader.
They are very frustrated.
The academy is currently closed to in-person learning due to the restriction, but reportedly would be able to reopen if occupancy restrictions eased. The father is now suing the governor and health secretary Kathy Kunkel.
It's actually illegal for a state to interfere with a contract, and because Mr. Peterson signed his daughter up for school and paid the tuition, etc., he's being deprived the benefit of the contract.
The lawsuit argues that the state is imposing more onerous restrictions on children who attend private school than it does on children who attend public schools, noting too that child care facilities can operate at 100% capacity.
We're not saying that there should be no restrictions. We're just saying that it should be equal. This whole case is about fairness and letting these kids get the opportunity to go back.
We reached out to the governor's office, who says that the state has oversight of public schools that can assure health and safety restrictions are in place. But the state does not have similar oversight of private schools, which is partly why the restrictions are greater there. Back to you.